Good day guys, today I'm making this video regarding a protein shake for gaining weight. So yeah, if I want to gain weight, I usually use this protein, mix it with a milk after boiled and cooled. Usually I use these bananas, uh, both are ripe. There's two type of bananas which I got from my workplace at Tagal. They are 50 rupees, 100 for both, and I chop them and place it in a blender. This blender is from Avon. I can add a little bit of sugar. By the time we wait for the milk to get cool, you can check this fresh local veg, pumpkin leaves and long beans, pumpkins, wherever green and fresh, this melons, and I got some pineapple as well, which I got for 2 for 30 rupees. And then I use this protein, Horlicks Protein Plus chocolate flavor, and it has a 3 combination of protein which is good for your body. And I'll just add 2 teaspoonful for 200 ml of milk. And then you can add peanut butter or any butter with nuts. Usually I use this peanut butter, and I usually select peanut butter that is crunchy instead of the creamy one. Crunchy is the best, and you can add it in. Okay, the milk is cooled, and now we can add it to the blender just like that. And now you can pour it into your favorite glass and relax and just sip it and enjoy your protein shake. Hope you like this freestyle recipe video of mine, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel.